So guys, now on our New Zealand dollar to our USD, let's do a quick analysis. You can see day before yesterday, yesterday, we can see our New Zealand dropped. Today too, our New Zealand have dropped. If you go back to watch my analysis, you will see that I will actually correct that our New Zealand will be dropping against our USD. Now we got the drop on Sunday. Now we got another drop on Monday. So on Tuesday, which is on the 7th, we are still going to be getting another drop. The reason is that our USD index will actually be going bullish. Now let's see on our 4-hour time frame. If you have to analyze it like this, we are going to be seeing a drop again. But let's mark this our area here, our key level here, area here. Let's mark here our price drops, it's our area here. We can now possibly get a breakout below it and it's here. So we would want to be hitting here probably by tomorrow, which is on the 7th. So that's the way it will move, is that our price drops here, then we would probably see a retracement and then a fall. Because where I'm saying it is that our USD index is actually going bullish, so any pair relating to it would be falling. So we are going to be seeing that fall on our New Zealand. That is why I said let's see a drop here, then we will see a retracement on our New Zealand USD and a fall, a breakout to this our key level here, which is 0.64220. So that's exactly what. So let's mark it. That should be giving us about 78 pips. That if you have to take your short position right now, currently we are still on the 6th, so on the 7th we'll be seeing the drop to hit this our area here that we are aiming for. We will see price, we see reaction here, we also did see this reaction here. So definitely we are marking this area here whereby our price will actually take a turn or hit for tomorrow. So that is my analysis. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.